welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be doing a quick review of the tower dish rack. I've bought one before from another brand and it was not very good. The plates kept falling off, but this one is really nice. I have dinner plates and I have side plates. So it comes with a rack that you can place on your sink, and it comes with also a tray that holds the water that drains from your dishes. So you have it, and you can put some of the bowls on this section, and then the plates comes and hang on the front part, and the cutlery drain, you push it at the back and then you're good to go. So I have the tower bowl, so you can push at least about 4 there, maybe 2 on top of each other. So you have the bowls. You can even put as many as you want, and then the plate goes off standing up upright, and you can have up to about 6. So you have 4 of the dinner plate, and then you can have 4 of the side plates. So usually this rack is made for a family of 4, really, but it's really good, very beautiful. You can see it, how truly nice it is. I would love to recommend it. The color, some people said there was discoloration after a while. Mine is still okay. I don't know if it would still discolor, but I got this as early as September 2020, and this is January 2021, so that's quite a few months, and the color is still holding good. The only problem with the tray, you have the tray having lime scale. You can see the lime scale all hanging there, but like I said, this has nothing to do with tower or any weakness to their product. This is just where we live. So I would love to recommend this. It's really nice, really nice, truly beautiful. Your some of the racks, the dish rack, the place will be wobbling. You can see I'm moving it all about, and it's not wobbly. So it's beautiful, and I would love to recommend this dish rack. I'll put the link at the bottom of the video. If you live in United Kingdom, you can order this from Amazon. Thank you for watching my channel, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.